Electric utility companies often operate under a state charter that gives utility companies the exclusive right to sell and distribute electricity in a specific geographic territory. Under this arrangement, known as a utility regulatory compact, public utilities are subject to an intrusive regulatory regime that helps regulate the electricity industry. One of the main reasons that electric utilities are subject to such intrusive regulations is that utility companies are considered natural monopolies. A natural monopoly is defined as an entity that single-handedly produces all the output demanded within a relevant market at a lower cost than the output that could be produced by multiple smaller producers. For example, a single electric utility that produces electricity for an entire city can produce electricity at a lower rate than multiple smaller utility companies could produce electricity in the same city. Natural monopolies typically occur in markets where there is a high barrier to entry. Imagine that a person wanted to open a bakery. The baker could get a business license, rent a commercial kitchen, and open his business in a short period of time. These few steps illustrate that there is a low barrier to entry in the bakery industry. Now imagine that a person wanted to start her own utility company. The person would face enormous upfront costs that could potentially exceed billions of dollars, including constructing electric lines, building substations, and installing electric meters on customers' homes. The person would also need to obtain regulatory approval from state or local governments to operate her electric utility. These steps show that there is a very high barrier to entry into the electric utility market. This high barrier to entry deters potential competitors from entering the electric utility industry and prevents new companies from providing meaningful competition against existing utility companies.